In front of me is OPPO Reno15 FS, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. First of all, you need to launch your keyboard and click on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Now, to change theme of your keyboard from the list of available ones, scroll down and make sure to click on all of those icons at the top right corners. Thanks to them, you'll be able to see all available themes. After finding the best one for you, you need to click on it. I will go with this one. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher. And when you finished, hit apply at the bottom right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. To customize it though, use the same icon and this time tap on +1 under my themes. Now tap on a photo you wanna apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move and hit next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage key borders and tap on apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!